So hey everyone, how's going there? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sujal, and in this video I'll show you that how you can join the CS50 course, that is the introduction to the intellectual enterprises and the computer science and the art of programming. Right, so these days C programming course is going on, so that's why I thought to make this video to let you know about that the CS50 introduces the C programming language and by one of the enthusiastic painter David J Malan. Right, so if you guys know that how you can join to this course or how you can enroll to this course, so please stay in the video and watch till end. Right, so before moving ahead, please do hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make such more awesome content for you all. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, before moving ahead, I just want to say one thing, that there are the three techniques by which you can enroll to this course. Right, so the first technique by YouTube. So what you have to do is just search CS50 in YouTube, just like this. Okay, so then you will get a YouTube channel of CS50. Right, this cat, you can see the profile picture of CS50 YouTube channel. There is a cat. Okay, there is a face of cat, and as you can see, the bunch of courses are or video lectures are available here. Right, so the C programming which is going these days is, as you can see, the I just come to the video section, then you can see here that the CS50 2021 lecture 1 C programming. Okay, so this course has started 3 days ago, you can see here. Right, so the main thing or the best thing about this course is the first of all the enthusiastic mentor David J Malan, and what he do to make you understand more depthly, he take a reference of scratch. I mean कि वो scratch का reference लेकर आपको programming से बताते हैं कि यहाँ पे scratch में we do ये चीज और programming में हम ये चीज लिखते हैं. राइट, सो मतलब काफी क्रेजी है यार इस कोर्स को. मतलब जरूर से आप मतलब ट्राई करो, एक बार देखो, क्योंकि मतलब इतना अच्छे तरीके से ये समझाते हैं कि मतलब यू विल बी फैन बाय वाचिंग हिज वीडियो डेफिनेटली. So yes, you can see that I have already watched lecture 1 C programming. Right, so you can also watch this lecture. Right, so yeah, this is the first technique. So okay, one more thing, this is the first lecture. Okay, so second जल्दी आने वाला है, 1 से 2 दिन के अंदर में. राइट, सो हैव पेशेंस एंड तब तक के लिए आप लेक्चर 1 को कंप्लीट करो देखकर. राइट, सो चलो देखते हैं कि द सेकेंड टेक्निक बाय विच यू कैन एनरोल to this course. Right, so there is a website edX.com. Right, edX.org. So here you can see I am here in this website, CS50 Introduction to Computer Science. Right, so you can enroll by just clicking here. Okay, so let's know the third technique. Right, so there is a official website of CS50. So as you can see the official website of welcome, how to take the, and on the left section you will see that there are a bunch of courses. Topics are there: the Scratch, C, arrays, algorithms, memory, data structure, Python, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, a bunch of courses. Right, so just if you want to learn C programming, just click on it. Okay, I have just I just click on a week 1. Okay, then you will see here page is reloading. Okay, just have patience guys. So as you can see here, he is one of the enthusiastic mentor David J Malan. Okay, so as you can see the lecture shorts, like every single thing. So यही आपको मुझे बताना था कि जो अभी न्यू जो सी प्रोग्रामिंग कोर्स जो लेक्चर अभी कोर्स का लेक्चर चल रहा है, सो अगर आप लोग इंटरेस्ट हो तो आप इसको कंसिडर कर सकते हो. राइट, सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, और आई गेस कि डेफिनेटली आप एंजॉय करोगे इस लेक्चर को देखने के बाद. सो बाय बाय, टेक केयर, पीस आउट.